How to set up direct deposit with USAA Bank. Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to set up the direct deposit with USAA Bank so that your paycheck goes straight into your account. First off, what you're going to have to do is log into your USAA mobile app. For that, you can just go ahead and open up the application or continue on with the web browser. Tap on the login button and enter your login credentials to log into your account. Then from the menu, you can go to your account features and select set up direct deposit. Now, once you do that, what you can do is you'll find your USAA routing number and your unique account number. Next, give these details to your employer, payroll department, or benefits provider. Many times they'll have a direct deposit form you'll need to fill out. Just write down your USAA account information and choose whether you want your full paycheck or just a part of it deposited. Some employers let you upload your or submit these details online through their HR portal, which is super convenient. And once everything is set up, your paycheck will start going directly to your USAA check-ins or savings account, usually within 1 or 2 pay cycles, and that's it. With direct deposits, you'll get your money faster, safer, and without waiting in line at the bank. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. I'll catch you guys in the next one.